I'm thinking 3.5 for his nose is pretty good. I'm gonna measure it from here to here. We're gonna do 3.5. So I'm gonna cut off a little tiny sliver of foam for a smile, just about 1/8 of an inch or so, like this. That's perfect. And we have a little smile here for him. See, perfect. I'm gonna punch out some buttons. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons, 2 eyes, so 1-inch punch for his eyes. And we have it 1, 2. Okay, so now we have the base of a hat, the top of a hat, the part to go around the top. So you're making a 9-inch circle for the base. I want to get a 5-inch circle cut out of this, and I'm just gonna move it like this. And then this is 7 inches by 16.5 exactly. I'm going to use my X-Acto knife just to cut this out. I'm going to cut out a little bit on the inside of the 5-inch round. I'm going to try to stick this onto this first, like so, and then stick the round, once it gets round, onto this, hopefully sticking it from the inside. So we have the base made, and now we just have to stick this onto here, which is perfect because it's going to look like this. See? So pretty. So now we have an amazing top hat to put on our snowman. It's just so fantastic. Look at that hat.